for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. The new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.